flew over a place I would never see. The ground was quiet, too quiet. Red ants, large, lifeless, scattered like dangerous signs. Something was wrong. I should go back from this place. If I don't go home, my mother will beat me. Oh my god, I forgot the route. This is the way? Yeah, I found the road. I looked up and saw something huge. I have flown so far. I need to rest. Maybe then I can fly again. I was not looking for flowers anymore. Just a drop of water. One drop to remember the rain. There it was, a drop of water waiting for me. Thank you, nature, for this little water. What happened here? Why are you pulling the red one?
We have no food. This air is so hard. No rain, no seeds. I couldn't smell any flowers. We don't know what's happening. The sky has forgotten us.
We eat what we find, even the fallen. If you stay here too long, we might try to eat you too. Even wings are food when the earth gives nothing.
I must go before I become laddu for these ants. What is this? This is not the nature I knew. Why has it turned like this? I'm flying over something dark. It feels like a black desert. I must keep flying until I find food, until I find life. But maybe something is hiding below. Why are they running? What's chasing them? Hey, what are you doing here?
If there is one the rain, will find the shelter, or you will be washed away.
Wait. Do you know where I can find food? Just a little. Anything is fine.
There is a part near the big mountain. It blooms when the rain comes. You go and stay there. Go.
This is the place they spoke of? This tent? It's dry and silent. How could it bloom? Is this really where hope hides? I have seen dryness. I have felt silence. But this feels forgotten. I have never come this far. I only watched from below. But now, I stand on the mountain. These ropes, they look like roots. What happened to this world? If anyone listens, If the sky still remembers, let it rain. Let something bloom. I climbed again, and this time it was different. It rained like anything. Green! After all this time, green. Woohoo! Thank God. Finally, something colorful in this dry land. I waited, I believed, and now